lovelies, we are back with another video. I'm joined by Hobby. So today he is going to dye my hair. I'm dyeing it. I'm going back to black. Obviously never done anything like this before. Don't watch this. It's moisturizer. I put it around the borders and my ears and stuff so that it doesn't stain. Oh guys, I forgot to mention, this is all drinking wine. Alright, so you have your dyes around there.
Step out and
no, you need to do it from scratch. They're both the same thing. It's just that my head's big, so we're gonna need 2 boxes.
Holy pass something. The instructions on the right and reach on the right is a whole long essay.
Let me see. Alright, so first thing you need to do is mix the dye. Remove the tab on the tip. Unscrew applicator bottle. Empty contents from hair color into it. Okay, look babe. Empty this into this. Here.
Are you done there?
You have to do it. It already pop it off.
But we done start on your side.
Yeah, but I already took the thing off, so you have to use this.
Are you a there?
It actually was but there's something come off. Pour this in and this. Don't get all fancy and spill it everywhere. Cover the tip now. Don't make it touch me now. And shake.
You don't have to tell me what to do. Obviously I shake now, shake it if you ever mix up. You don't have to tell me that. Just when you tell me what to do now.
Yeah, we're good at wrist action. So then all you do is apply it to my hair now, but you have to take section by section, undo the plait, apply it from the gold.
Then you need to cover up yourself so you're not staying shirt.
Apply it from the gold part and then take time move up. If you need to divide the hair into smaller sections.
It's a root, me read it, it's a start.
No, but my hair is already black in the root, so you're focusing on the lightest part of the hair first.
That's what it said?
Yes.
Hold the buckle and you have to undo the
No,
braid.
don't, no, I tied this up. You have to do section by section, so I tied this up for you.
Undo the braid.
Where's the spongy?
Ready?
I left down one already, so just undo the braid and start from that one. Ow! Yeah, angle it like a professional.
So that's one go. From no, I said no.
Like just.
Don't have to tell me no. I mean no. It's a dime here and you know.
That is cool.
Yeah. I black and
Need more?
it's not more sense. You can't diet trouble. 3 more diet needs. One side here alone this time. It's not for work.
What do you mean?
One more. 1 buckle of done right as well.
No! There's enough there to do these 2 sections, a half a head for 1 pack.
Hold on.
You're not gonna say turn it, you know?
Oh!
You just.
Come on, sir. You know, see me putting up 1 spot like no jail. What do you?
No, you have to just. So what you doing with more? Just apply it, just leave it. It will take time to turn. You have to leave it on for. Are you scrissing? Babe.
You have a brush it in too?
You have a brush?
Yeah, just the inner one, I see.
I don't think you need any more.
No, man. You don't know because now the niggle. You know them place, it's down there, you know, you can't do it. Judgment did wrong first. That's true. A long time I'm gonna do this. It's easier for just dip this down in the container and dye. Just wrap it so and just dip it down in this.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions about my hair, seeing that we're in a hair video.
Right.
And you can answer. So, do you like my hair when it's long or when it's short?
Long. Of course.
And why is that?
Come on, well, I'm funny.
I knew you were going to say that. Maybe I honestly don't think you need.
So you never brushing?
Man, where again?
And rush room.
Where?
But when I come down so, it just look at it. Come like one little river, try to find part for run. Watch there. Look there.
Okay, but you're not gonna use a wash brush in my hair though.
Nothing on that brush.
There's a comb on the front.
I don't make any.
Is that the pin comb?
Yeah.
Yes.
You never know how that is for.
No, you did not. Start from the ends.
Awesome. Here. That change, you know, but I feel like this I will do like one whole week. Like you do some today and some tomorrow.
Babe, why the comb not reaching the end of the hair?
No, I did pop out. Pull to the right. Pull to the right. Wait, not
y'all, I detangled this before he started it, okay?
No, come on.
Start from the end. Okay, but don't let it touch my face.
I thought of that skin.
Yeah.
Huh? No, man.
Babe, it will damage my hair if it's in there too long. You're supposed to apply within 10 minutes so that it's more on there.
Well, that's what I get, man. I never know. I did update on series.
Okay, next question. Do you prefer my hair natural or relaxed?
Natural.
Why?
Cause I mean, your hair good. I have good hair. Me too with the good hair, so I wouldn't want that hair.
If I could change to the wildest color, what color would you want me to choose?
A shocking color green.
Shocking color green? Like a neon green?
Neon, like Grinch.
Why?
Grinch. You say wildest.
Well, yeah. Okay. Now you're a pro now, and you did that side already? Yeah! 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 By the way, his mom is a professional hairdresser. So if this turns out good, we're gonna have to give her the props. How much do you think I spend on hair products a month?
No.
Take a wild guess.
Wait until I man.
How much one of my curling cream costs?
About $2,000.
How much do you think that takes? How much of my hair?
Big head. Like 5, you have to use 5. Like every thing, the contour thing, every time you put in your hair, you use like 5 buckles on a Sunday.
Shut up, it's not even that much.
5 buckles on a Sunday.
Guys, my hair soaks up product though, like.
Yeah, that I go on right now,
No.
when I keep on after applying and ask me why I put so much.
Oh! Did it touch my face? I just realized you're dyeing my hair black in a white shirt.
I hear what was it? It never come out.
No. You just throw it. Chuck it. I have a cake soap and oxy and tie it in a scandal bag and soap for about 5 weeks.
5 weeks.
Oh baby.
Yeah, don't do me. You know what I say?
What?
You're very unprofessional though. You can't have somebody that do your hair and you touch them. That no make them something in a work. A business this thing. You think that I will take for some of the money? You still have to pay me full price.
Oh yeah,
What?
no. 3.5.
Oh, plus you have to buy back my white shirt. Hurry up, man.
Come on, long.
I'm telling you, you sit down on my chair. Yeah, I'm chair too. I'm there.
It's dripping everywhere. It's dripping everywhere. It's stop.
I can't put ketchup on that, look. Mayo. You know, say, if that accident, so we have to worry about when we beat them, so
No.
just dye them black.
Dye them black.
All the
Like
black.
Oreo.
Make all of that and dye black. Like Ruga.
Like Ruga.
I'm shine like Ruga. Dog named Ruga, I'm not talk about this.
Imagine.
Dog,
Imagine.
not rude.
Ruga body count is how much now? 3, 4? How much you reach now?
You know, say all I want that. Ruga. But what do? Yeah, distract me, Taya. Stop distract me. That's why that stop distract me. Come on, now this is not Taya.
Swear.
You know that. I say, yo, man, I dying a woman here, man, a gangster. I idiot.
Don't see it.
Man, I say,
The
nah, dying your wife here.
The reality of it is though, it just came up and I said, you know what, let's make a video out of it, because he was actually going to dye my hair for me.
Yeah.
Like, and obviously y'all know she don't live with us. I think alcohol tends to get off my ears, so. What you used to use to take it off your ears?
Yeah.
What you used to use to take it off your ears?
What?
The dye.
Dye? No, yes. That's not like a year.
But he doesn't get you.
No, he's on poop.
Don't do a line up, because it's gonna look. Just put on your hand and barely rub it.
It's
gonna legit look like a line up.
that's not my touch. That's not my touch, the whole ass. The whole ass, bro. A joke thing this. Nah, it's coming like when I bleach at them on your face white and they take off them clothes, all of them, but different color. Two different color this side and that one thing I go.
Ow!
Oh boy.
It hurts!
So black. Wait, man. Stop, man.
Go on, say the Jamaican term.
You're nasty, so. Yeah? You're nasty. You're nasty.
It's
Keep
nasty. Keep
it. Head still, man. I know about that. Straighten up head.
I'm gonna flip my headline.
Jump.
You know, up till this day, people still message me about the big chop video. In it, when I say, my mother gonna left me.
Any chop heads I get, definitely have a
Babe, what you still squeezing?
easy, man. But play night and you have a chop after the year.
About it?
Any boy we have nothing to say about this. One man a die, woman here. Bring your girl come and see me not play in her ear.
And take her away.
And take her away from you.
You're looking at the
Something like
middle
magic
of
to
the
have
sun.
the time. When we still look a different color in the rocks. No, run us up, tired. So long there.
Alright guys, so he's basically done. He did a pretty good job, didn't he? Let's have a look. I'm gonna go like wash it and condition it and treat it and everything now. So thanks for joining us. You take this way too seriously. You're like mall cup of hairdressers.